So, do you like your aloe vera gel to retain its viscosity? There are two ways to doing this. Let me show you. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Let me introduce all that I will be needing for this practical. Yes, it is a practical and you would enjoy it. Stay tuned to the end of the video. My aloe vera plants, have my knife, have my bowl, have my spoon. Two bowls, one for scooping out the gel and one for soaking the fruit. So you want to cut out this whitish part because that is where you have this yellowish substance that can be toxic. It can be so irritating to your skin. So you want to cut that tip, just that white part above your plant or at the top of your aloe vera plant, and the tip beneath the plant, it is of no use. Then I moved ahead to cutting away the spikes, or you can call it the thorns that are of no use, and this will hinder you to get out your gel from the aloe vera plant. After this, I soaked them in water for a few minutes. It depends on how much time you have to soak your gel, but at least 5 minutes. And after the soaking, I went ahead to transfer them from the water to another bowl. And now it is the scooping process time. Now you want to cut out a little bit of the fleshy part of that aloe vera plant so you can reach the gel. I'm just going to be quick with this part while you see how I scoop. You want to scoop with your spoon or whatever you feel is more comfortable for you to use. Yeah, I am using my spoon to gently scoop out the gel, as you can see in this video. And this is what I did for all the gel that I soaked in water. And trust me, nothing is going to waste. And that is why I took out my time to scoop out the gel very well. And this is the end result of all the plants. Now I went ahead to transfer it into my blender. Yes, this is what makes the work easier. So just transfer to your blender, blend it into a smooth consistency, or let me say a smooth paste. And when you're done, then you will see how finely grinded your aloe vera gel will look like. Now this is my cheesecloth that has been dedicated for this kind of work. Whenever I have anything to sieve my DIY, this is my cheesecloth for it. So you want to sieve out so that every other left little chunks, particles in the aloe vera gel will be trapped in the cheesecloth. And this is what I did. Yeah, so just scoop everything out, press the cheesecloth, and it will all come out very conveniently without any stress, as you can see in the video. And make sure to scoop out and press everything out thoroughly. And this is my storing jar that I will be using. I have the stainless plates that will be going on the fire. Don't mind the look if it is looking somehow to you. So I divided the gel into let me say 2 equal parts, and one is set aside. And this is my vitamin C powder. This is where the trick is. So I used half a tablespoon into one section of the aloe vera gel and mixed thoroughly. You want to mix it thoroughly, and this is just a very simple one with this first process. Look at the consistency. And I went ahead to transfer it into my storing jar, as simple as that. And I just cover it. Make sure it is airtight container so it can last longer. This is the end result. You can see it is simple. Now to the second one that I said will be going on fire. This is my homemade cornstarch, which I added to the aloe vera gel on fire. And after a few minutes, see it already cooking up and it is becoming thicker. So you can use this particular one for your face exfoliation and facial treatments. This is it after about 3 to 5 minutes of cooking, and then I'm having this thick consistency and I was fine with it. I transferred it into the next storing jar and I covered that up, and this is the result. You might as well reduce your vitamin C or cornstarch based on your preference. So I stored this for about 3 weeks to a month without refrigerating. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.